Hi, hello friends. Welcome to KSP Academy. Uh, Today we have to see some fundamental calculations. Fundamental calculations. This is the cases we are getting. Many of the cases, many of the situations we cannot sure about that. What answers I should write? Some new model I should bring back to you. Something these cases you heard about this, but you are not sure about this is the answer for these particular cases. Okay, if anybody not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Watch the videos, go to the YouTube and see the playlist. You can enjoy the number of videos. So let us basic questions. We heard the things before. Basically, let us something 2 power 2 by 0. What is the answer? We are not sure. Some people say, let us say 0, infinite. Anyone guess the answer? You can write it down 2 by 0. Write on the paper. And second thing, 0 by 2. What is the answer? Next, 0 by 0. What is the answer? Please tell me the answer for these questions. Next, 1 by 0, what is the answer? Something 0 by 2, what is the answer? I think I already wrote, right? 0 by 1, what is the answer? So this is the cases when the 0 will come, something by 0 or 0 by something or 0 by something or the things will come. Some people are writing 1 by 1, what is the answer? Some people you might have assured that what answer I should keep. So for this case, I should bring the fundamental things. Please look at here. So I'm going to write some list thing which are fine. So fundamental is 0 by something. The answer is 0 only. 0 by something, whatever it is, the answer is 0. Example, you can write it down. 0 by 2 or 0 by 3 or 0 by 1 or 0 by 1 lakh or 0 by 1 CR. The answer is 0 only. Okay, no? This is the case. 0 by something is 0. The second interesting formula, second one, something by 0. Something by 0. The something by 0 is regularly you can say that undefined. If people say undefined, I can write infinite. I can write infinite. Technically, I can write infinite. The symbol is like this. Something by 0 is infinite. So example, something by 0 means in for example, I can write 1 by 0. It is something by 0 or 2 by 0 or 3 by 0. Other than 0 by 0, something by some value should be there. 4 by 0 or else 1 lakh by 0 or 1 CR, 1 crore by 0. The answer is infinite. That's a case number 2. Next, from this third also it's possible. What is the thing that the people might have a doubt? Something by 0. Something by, sorry, 0 by something I cannot easily understand. Third question. 0 by something. What is 0? First case I wrote. Second case, something by 0. Answer is infinite. So from this, I can derive one more new formula for third case. The thing is what some people write, something by infinite. The answer is, this will come like this will go like this. The answer is what? 0. Something by infinite, 0. Example letters I should write it down. 2 by infinite, 3 by infinite. Don't say it's undefined, it is defined. The answer is 0. From this second derivation, you can write it down. అట్లా అని చెప్పేసి from regarding this particular situation, we don't say that 0 by 0 is something. This case is wrong. Mathematically, it is wrong because we have other alternate methodology. So 0 by 0 it's something. Its thing is 0. This is valid for this particular thing only. Don't need to write it. Something by 0 infinite, but something by infinite is 0. This is valid. This is case is not valid. I think I hope is very clear. 0 by something, something by 0, something is clear. Next, go for one multiplication thing. Some let us go for zone number. Other zone you go for. So basic cases. 0 by 0. It is not defined. Don't say 0 by 0, 1, 1. It's go for 1. Answer is wrong. It's stupid thing. Okay, now the thing is undefined terms. Some of the undefined cases will be there. That I should write. Undefined terms and undefined cases. Things will be undefined. Number one, 0 by 0, it's undefined. Infinity by infinity, it's undefined. Infinity into infinite, it's undefined. 0 into infinite, undefined. No need to say that 0 into something is 0. No, it's infinite. It cannot say it's undefined. Or 1 power infinite, it's undefined. Infinity power infinite, undefined. So this is the cases, majority things. This should not be undefined. When the things will come, don't say it's undefined case. Sometimes example I should write it down. So x minus y by x square minus y square. Substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Or something else, we can say that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Let us easy to understand. What you can write? 1 minus 1 by 1 square minus 1, 1. So what is the answer is? 0 by 0. Don't cite it 0. So 0 by 0. It's called the answer is undefined. Don't say it's a 0 or not, something by 0. No. You do calculation, numerator and denominator. Please wait a minute and finalize your answer. So this is the way we can write this is undefined terms. Rest of the things are definition, defined, the terms will come. This is some of the tricky things will come in one of our cases. So please we look at into the cases, then you can understand and write it. I hope it's very clear. Thanks for watching. For getting more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Are you really interested? Go to your own YouTube channel. What the YouTube channel means? KSP Academy 2010. Go to the YouTube, type KSP space Academy space 2010. In that KSP Academy 2010 will come. Then go for a videos. Then go for a playlist. You can watch this videos. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for rest of the videos. Okay. Thank you.